Here it comes. First big serious event we've had where I live. My dog is freaking out. He is scared to death of the thunder and lightning. Okay, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna get the harness on the dog. Where's that at?
I'm in the hole, okay? I'm just being honest with you.
The guys are making
I'm
fun
staying
of that.
low and I'm staying down to this thing I know is moved by. If you live in or east or right here, see the little weakness in reflectivity? See that little bit where it kind of goes from the purple then back to the red, and the colors around it are a little bit darker? That's the tornado right there. We also can see that on velocity. If you know somebody who lives here, call them, text them, wake them up, tell them it's coming into town. Strong tornado, now moving into Shawnee. It's coming into Shawnee. It's doing it right now. It might turn. It might turn and just barely skirt the western sides of Shawnee, but there's a chance that it at least goes across the northwestern.